Yes, huh? Okay.
I can see a real difference in my kids, the way they speak, the way they focus, and the way they prepare for the training. Amazing, I can see. Other observation is that the way they communicate, it is changed a lot. They speak with more confidence. They're more constructive when they speak, uh, and they are showing a lot of ownership in preparing whatever speech activity you give. They show a lot of importance and the ownership they take in preparing that without depending on us, basically.
It gives me an immense pleasure and joy to witness my daughter learning things so fast. And the way you teach is amazing. The classes have been so worthwhile. You have an amazing way of breaking down things so that they are understandable and always keeping it light and fun. She enjoys your class, and your passion and dedication is beyond words. No, your teaching is great,
Okay.
concise and clear. You are amazing in whatever you do, whatever concept you teach. The kids remember it so well. As it makes us feel proud when she does things beyond her age.
And more than anything else, she's interested to attend these classes.
That's something
Right.
great.
So
Okay.
the good thing is she's been very punctual. Before time, she knows that what time is the class and when I have to attend. Right, and she's very serious and particular about internet connection should be there at that point of time. Right, and as you told that what experience you have, so I can see the experience has been transformed into her, and her memory skills, remembering things, recalling some datas
Yeah.
like states, capitals. So we can see a definite improvement in it.
Observation, he's very interested and he's very excited whenever he attend the classes.
That's good.
He's showing a lot of interest to attend the sessions. Probably he feels very much challenging for his knowledge level or his learning level.
Okay.
So that's a very the positive thing. It was amazing. So more than the capitals, I was amazed to see that he was mentioning about the year of formation of the different states.
Yes, yes.
So that worked well. Probably the same method we should try for other things.
Hack Academy, what I have seen is it is progressively building the child from within. It is progressively incorporating and inculcating certain values in their self. Okay, so previously what used to happen? Yes, the kids are slowly adapting themselves to the pandemic situation currently. But nevertheless, you probably have brought in some kind of an organized, framework to that, I would say. They are, their ways of learning have slowly improvised. Okay, this is not something like I told you. It is not something that it should be of a benefit to me immediately.
Yeah.
This is something that is going to be incorporated into their self, into a learning mechanism as a process. That is what I am looking at.
Fantastic.
Earlier to learn these kind of things, these are the kind of qualities and capabilities that they have to take it forward into their life.
Okay.
Fourth standard, fifth standard is not the place where they utilize it. The actual application of which is going to come only way forward. Okay, and that is what I'm looking at. And yes, I have seen a good amount of progress in Rohan as well. He is able to remember things. He's able to put some kind of a relativity to whatever he is learning, and that is what I was looking at, and that is what I got.
Right.
Okay, I cannot tell whether it is 100% at this point in time, but nevertheless he knows that there is a process which can be adopted, so that things can be simplified and remembered.
Fantastic.
Okay. So that is what I was looking for. Yes, there has been a development in Rohan. Otherwise, kids with this kind of an energy are like misguided missiles. They are going in all the directions. Probably, one of the things that people have brought it is, brought them together into one direction. Glad we put him there. Yes, we are utilizing, a few of the infrastructure that whatever you are providing, because wherever we are seeing him weak, I think one of the point that you mentioned before is parents have to understand, be aware and beware or something you told me, if I can quote you correctly.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I am aware that he is weak in certain points, and I would at least like to give him an opportunity to, make himself stronger in that area. It need not be today. He's still got time. Okay, and I'm glad he's got time. And slowly, as a progressive methodology that comes up, this is what I am expecting.
No, certainly. First of all, I mean, what the improvement I've seen in Muiz is his communication skills have really improved, and he's become more there right now. And I really like the kind of sessions what you run where you instantly give the topics to them and they have to speak about 2 to 3 minutes on
Yes,
those kind of
yes.
topics.
Yeah.
So that's quite interesting. And what I have actually observed is that his thought process, the way he actually thinks, goes out of his way of imagining all those kind of areas and then putting it across in words. I think that's really impressive.
Yeah.
That apart, one thing what I have also really liked about this program is the techniques what you have taught. So that's really useful on day-to-day basis. I always keep seeing him playing around with his cube, trying to, though he has not fully got it, but I think he's able to just match it up on the two sides of it on the same colors. And he keeps challenging me that if you can do it, let's have a competition and let's do it. Who will finish it first?
Okay.
I think that's quite impressive as well.